wintermelon, potato, peanut sesame ball, or ashford, potato, peanut sesame ball, or Petha Kaddu, Aloo, Moongphali, Masala. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the potato recipes and one of the most unique of the wintermelon recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the peanut recipes and one of the most delicious of the sesame recipes and one of the most unique of the stew recipes. Today we are going to make wintermelon, potato, peanut sesame bowl. We have taken 100 grams of potato peeled and cut into pieces and 100 grams of wintermelon or ashford peeled and cut into pieces. The next ingredients are 1 tomato cut into pieces, 1 onion cut into pieces, 1 spoon of fennel seeds, around half a spoon of fenugreek seeds, around 3 to 4 spoons of sesame seeds, around 25 to 50 grams of peanut roasted, 25 grams of ginger. Put in the roasted peanuts and the sesame seeds. Into the grinder. Close and grind well. Heat the pan and pour in 10 ml of oil. Put in the fenugreek seeds and the fennel seeds and the onions. Saute thoroughly. Keep on sauteing. Thoroughly saute and mix the onion pieces. Saute thoroughly. Thoroughly saute and mix. Saute until the onions lose the pinkish color. Put in the ginger, salt the ginger thoroughly with the rest of the mixture. Keep on sorting. Sort and mix the ginger with the onions and the fenugreek and the fennel seeds. Thoroughly sort and mix. Sort and mix till the ginger is nicely assimilated with the rest of the mixture. Keep on sorting. Thoroughly sort and mix. Now put in a spoon of dried mango powder. Now put in a spoon of pepper powder. Put in the peanut. It's the same mixture that we powdered earlier. Thoroughly mix the peanuts, same powder with the rest of the mixture. Sort and mix. Until the mixture is nicely and thoroughly mixed. Break any lumps if present. Thoroughly mix. Now let it get heated. Put in the potato and the wintermelon piece. Now put in salt to taste. Keep on sorting. Thoroughly sort and mix. Sort and mix thoroughly until the potato and the wintermelon are nicely mixed. Then quarter spoon of turmeric powder and mix. Thoroughly mix. Thoroughly sort and mix. Now put in the tomato pieces. Mix thoroughly. Mix the tomato pieces thoroughly until the tomatoes are nicely mixed and incorporated with the rest of the mixture. Now pour in 100 ml of water. Mix thoroughly. Let the mixture cook for 20 minutes in the pan. Now put in the curry leaves on top. Mix. Now the wintermelon, potato, peanut sesame bowl is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final wintermelon, potato, peanut sesame bowl, or ashgourd, potato, peanut sesame bowl, or wintermelon, potato, peanut sesame stew. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the potato recipes and one of the most unique of the wintermelon recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the peanut recipes and one of the most unique of the sesame recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.